Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change equalizer preset for your speaker QCY SP7. You have to start by open QCY app. So basically we have two options how to change it. The first one is to use an application, so go to the sound, and right here we have three presets what QCY offer for us. The default one, indoor and outdoor. Just select the best one for you by tap on it. To disable it also you can swap to the default preset. Not to disable it, sorry. Anyway, we can also use equalizer button. Right here at the top of the speaker we have EQ, and you can swap between default and outdoor preset. You cannot swap between indoor and default, let's say. So just press on it. Now I use outdoor preset, then I press again and I return to the default. As you can see, I cannot select indoor preset. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!